Hi, welcome to BlindOwl Outdoors. We hope you enjoy our channel, and if possible, could you please join our Patreon page? We really need your help. It's been a long, hard road. Thank you.
This is the time of morning I'm usually on the computer uploading my videos for the day. Actually not uploading, but making them public. Sometimes I can get a signal in the yard, very seldom from the towers, but on my phone. There's some bananas. Nice bunch ready to go. Pineapples in here are doing real good. These big ones. Can't even see them in the weeds, but we've harvested 6 or 7 pineapples out of here, though. That's pretty good. Marife loves a fresh pineapple. Papayas out there ready to pick. I've been leaving these out here in the yard for the birds and the lizards. Those 2 are ready though. I guess that's about all I got, guys. Walk over here once really quick. Well, these bushes down here are doing pretty good. Ones up in the path look like they're just about ready to die. It's been several weeks since we've had any rain. And again, normally we don't get any rain at all this time of the year. Usually not even a drop from February to July. These are looking pretty weak. Alright, well, take care, everybody. Be safe.
Where's Benny?
How did that happen? No, it's not wide open. I didn't see him. Your dog doesn't have a look.
Nobody's going to say.
Yes, I am.
No, it's not safe.
Stop talking to me like I'm a child.
No.
Thanks for watching. Take care.